Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Yes, it's certainly been a while, hasn't it? Don't worry, I'm still alive. This was originally intended to be on the short channel video, but as it's gone on for 8 minutes, that's way too long for that. Maximum 4 there, I'd like 3 usually. Anyway, in this video we take a walk along the Rhuddlan. You can see the path there to the right of the River CLWYD as it meanders on towards Rhyl. Starting off in Rhuddlan, my hometown where I grew up, you've got the church and the castle there. Beautiful little village, and of course the old bridge, which is now being traffic lighted system due to safety concerns and preservation. It's a nice little village, is Rhuddlan, some call it a town. Anyway, closer look at the castle as you use a drone to give a different perspective from the air. It's certainly a town or village that has grown in size over the years, but lovely there with the CLWYDian hills in the background. I'm just going to spin the drone round now, looking in the direction that we're going to walk as we start from Rhuddlan. Walk along the path, which is a great path to be fair, all the way into Rhyl, over the CLWYD bridge, and we come back on the other side. So I'll just let you enjoy this bit of drone footage. There's the bridge I was talking about. You can see the traffic light system. Cars are coming over, one coming to a stop on the left there, and the car's going over there. It was a dry day and we enjoyed what was a very pleasant walk, full of wildlife on the river. On the walkway from Rhuddlan to Rhyl, and we'll be walking back on the other side over there after. This is the River CLWYD. All that driftwood. Nice clouds as well today. There's Richard, you can hear talking in the background there. Just one of the little gutters here, flowing into the River CLWYD. Very nice. Nice walking path. There's a couple of ducks down there. Looks like the remains of a boat down there. Yeah. Another tributary. Nice day for the walk. Little cob here, nice sand patterns. Gorse bush and robin in the tree. Driftwood. Lots of wildlife. Wow. There's Marine Lake. We've now reached Rhyl. Richie coming up the steps. Red light on the train tracks, but we don't know what for. Gulls. The black swan with the red beak, bill I should say, not beak, here at Marine Lake. Very unusual. There's the blue bridge, or the CLWYD bridge, and you've got the mast from the bridge people can walk over. Nice little area. Now we cross the river, there's a railway bridge. Yeah, we're on the other side. There we go. So now we've reached the other side of the River CLWYD and we start our descent back towards Rhuddlan. First of all, I'll send the drone up to give you a better perspective of the Rhyl harbour. There's a railway bridge in the foreground there. Oh no, speak of the devil, there's a train going over it. That was quite good timing really, a bit lucky there. So I just follow that over on its way further down the coast, heading Coin Bay, maybe as far as Holyhead, who knows. Anyway, you can see the wind turbines and offshore farm out to sea there in the distance. There's the Blue Bridge, or the Forrid Bridge as it is actually called, which takes you all the traffic over the river. You can see the traffic flowing over there now. Anyway, as I start to spin the drone around to reveal what's on the right, Marine Lake will come into view, and you'll see the mast I was talking about earlier with the walking bridge near the hub and Horton's Nose, as it's called, over there in Rhyl. Look down the coast towards Rhuddlan and beyond. There we go, coming in. That's a nice perspective you get there of Marine Lake. And you're spinning right the way round to show there's the railway bridge again, and you can see the meandering state of the river. Anyway, I send the drone up here now. This is a path on the other side, as you can see, walking back towards Rhuddlan, the CLWYDian hills there in the distance, still dry, nice clouds in the sky, and that just gives you an indication of what to look for or to expect should you go on the walk. Lovely walk, we enjoyed it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up would be appreciated, and I hope you can join me and Richard on our next adventure. Or walk, not adventure. Anyway, here's the pictures. I hope you appreciate them. Thumbs up would be fantastic. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time. Thank you.